gentlemen, and welcome to Detroit's Wayne County International Airport. Local time, just about 5 minutes before 6. That's Eastern Standard Time, 5 minutes before 6. For your continued safety, please remain seated, seatbelts fastened, until our captain brings us to a complete stop at our gate and then turns the seatbelt sign off for your deplaning this morning. Please take a moment now to check inside the seat pocket in front of you, underneath the seat in front of you, around your seat area for any items that you brought on board with you last night. When you open the overhead compartments, please do so carefully. The overhead bins are very full this morning. If you need further assistance, there will be a Delta agent meeting our flight. For those passengers who have requested wheelchair assistance, it does take just a few moments for your wheelchair to be brought down to the aircraft door for you. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until your flight attendants let you know that your wheelchair is available for you. If you are comfortable walking up the jetway and taking your wheelchair in the gatehouse area, you are welcome to do so as well. At this time, it is safe to turn on and use your cell phone. Your laptop computer may not be used at this time. It has been our pleasure having you on board with us this morning. We look forward to many opportunities to serve you again on this and future Delta flights. Shortly, we will be turning the cabin lighting on, and we'd like to welcome you once again to Detroit Wayne International Airport. Thank you. Have a great Thursday.